Let us see what overflow is. Here I will take one variable of type character x. In this I will assign value 127. Then I will say cout, display it in integer form, that is x, and NL. Let us see what I get. This is valid value within the range, so I am getting 127. Let me assign 128. This is out of the range because the maximum value that I can store in a character is 127. So I got a prompt. I got a warning here, that is implicit conversion from int to char changes value from minus 128 to minus 128. As I said, that overflow means it will take a cyclic value from after 127, that is the maximum, it will turn into a minimum value possible. So let us run and see what output we get. See, minus 128. If I take it as 127 only and I say x plus plus, then let us see what happens. It's the same thing again. So it's overflow, value is overflown and it will take the next value. I will assign 130. So 130 gives me minus 125. So overflow, so it has taken the cyclic result. Now I will take the value as 128 and in that I will subtract x minus minus. This means the smallest value is 128, then still decrementing it will take the largest value of type character, that is 127. Yes, it is 127. So this is a overflow in the character. Character takes just 1 byte. So I have taken the example of a character. You can do it with the integer also. Let me try with integer. Integer x assign int max. So this is the maximum integer value. Then after this, if I say x plus, okay, let me print this one and see. Maximum integer is 2147483647. Now if I say x plus plus, then it should take a smallest value. This is the smallest value that is possible in integer, that is minimum integer. So that's it. This is about overflow.